Hey, what's up, everybody? Cletus T. Judd down at my great friend Bill Cole's down at the Bill Cole Honda Nissan. I got my main man salesperson Bebo right here. What's going on? Don't leave me hanging. I'm trying to shake your hand. What's going on, buddy?
I'm good. We're gonna go over the Z really quick. It's the 2024 model Nissan Z. It's very stylish, as you can tell. Has twin turbos, V6, 400 horsepower. You can get it in a 6-speed manual transmission or 9-speed automatic.
This thing will get on down the road, won't it?
Oh yeah, I wish I can buy one.
Let's take a look at the inside of this thing right here, Bebo. I tried to sit down in it, and man, once you get in it, it's like being in a spaceship, isn't it? This thing will take off, won't it?
Yeah, the seats will hug you. You can take sharp corners. It got 2 sway bars, and it will stay on track.
Get on down the road, won't it? What kind of gas mileage are we talking about in a sports car like this?
It gets 28 on the highway.
Oh man, that's pretty good there.
Combined and 19 in the city. I mean, it's great gas mileage for a sports car.
28's pretty stout for a, that's a good deal for a sports car right there.
Absolutely.
Buddy, y'all come on down here and check out this bad boy, the new Nissan 400Z. It'll get you on down the road, and Bebo will take a test drive with you and might even pay your down payment. What do you think?
Absolutely. Yeah.
Don't say that. Don't say that. All right, y'all hang with us. We'll be back. Thanks a lot, Bebo. Appreciate it, man. See you.
Thank you.
And don't forget, it comes with the Bill Cole Advantage.